You can't sleep and stay alert unless you're a quadrigate bird. This seabird can fly for weeks without landing, soaring above the ocean. How? It sleeps with one hemisphere of its brain at a time. It's called unihemispheric slow-wave sleep. One eye stays open. One half of the brain stays awake to watch for predators or adjust flight. The other half sleeps. Then they switch. And yes, they can do this while gliding hundreds of kilometers per day. Dolphins, seals, and some ducks use the same technique, but frigate birds are champions of it. In the sky, humans only dream of multitasking. This bird literally does it while dreaming. Subscribe to Grandis Studio ENG for more creatures that blur the line between sleep and survival.